Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the Modern Edge from Forever Young in the color Coffee and Cream. I love this color on this wig. I think it looks super chic and really fun, but I'm going to do a color spotlight specifically of this Coffee and Cream color, so if you want to learn more about it, keep an eye out for that video. For now, let's go ahead and talk about Modern Edge. So the first thing I want to mention is that Forever Young wigs fit a little small on me, but I have a really big head. I have an average large cap size technically, so the fact that this fits a little small just means it sort of fits true to average. This does not have anything fancy going on the top, so it does have a little bit of permatease, just a little bit to help obscure some of the tracks up here. But this is still a pretty bare bones wig in terms of cap construction features, and I'll explain that when I take it off. Until then, let me show you how cute the style of it is, because it really is a very cute wig. So the cap on Modern Edge is open wefted with a little bit of lace on top. It does have a little rubberized disc off to the left-hand crown side, and that's going to make it, you know, a little bit of a heavier wig. It is open on the sides and in the back. There isn't a lot of hair on this, so the density is relatively light. It does have an extended Velcro nape and it adjusts with hook enclosure back here. We also have felt on the ear tabs and a little bit of felt at the front hairline. This one has a skin top, which is not really that fancy. It's that rubberized disc that has some hair sewn through it. This color is luscious, so I'm going to do a color spotlight just of this color. So this has been my review of the Modern Edge wig by Forever Young in the beautiful Coffee and Cream color. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs at CysterWigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a really great night. Bye-bye!